Pila ang lato sa inyong lugar? How much is your lato in your area? Well, guess what, mga kawagits? Out here, it's for free. You look at behind me. Look around. You see all that green? That green stuff? Those are lato. Oh my goodness. Big lato, small lato, short lato, long lato. It's here. Check it out. See? Right here. Right there. Right there. Right there. Lato. I'll show you. Lato. And yes, you can eat them. There. Those are all lato. All that green. It's lato. Lato paradise.